Okay, so if you wanted to go from this plain Koozie to the pencil colored themed Koozie, then follow along. If you want to go to the project filaments and add the colors that you will need, so you're going to double click on the number or click on the number and then start choosing the colors. We're going to go with black, gray, yellow's already there, pink for the eraser, and then tan for the wood part of the pencil. And then you want to click on the Koozie, and then at the top you're going to hit color painting, and you want to choose the height range and expand it so it can color faster. Hit a wider range. And then between the white lines is how the coloring is going to be. Since it's already black, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next color, which would be the tan. And you're just going to start filling it in layer by layer based on how a pencil is colored. Next is going to be the yellow. And typically I start off with the Koozie being pink, and I'll show you why in a few minutes. And the next color is going to be that gray color. And you're just clicking the mouse when you are hovering over the location that you want. And you see at the top how the rim is black. If you start off with a pink base, it'll be that pink color, which will be cohesive with the lid. So as you see here, I'm going in and changing that. And because I did that, I have to go back at the bottom and change it to black. This file is free on Maker World, but as you can see, the designer's logo is there. If you don't want his logo, then you can pay for the file on his Patreon for $5. And that is your colored pencil. Before slicing, you want to go ahead and color the accessories. So the handle and the lid will be pink. The two knobs on the sides to lock in that handle will remain gray. And then the spout, which I'm coloring now, will be black. And then now you're ready to go ahead and slice. And the only thing to remember is when you get to the print, you want to make sure the colors on the screen matches how the colors are set up on your AMS spool. If you're not interested in doing this and you would like a physical printed copy, then you can look in the description below and order it from my Etsy. And you can also get it customized. Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up. Hope this video helped.